you if you want me to. What else can I do? Everyone would take a cue from anything you do if you want them to. What else can they do? I don't wanna fight, I wanna get along with you. This time of night's for singing songs about the local news. Cabron, cabron.
Hello, my name is Otis von Schnitzel, and I am here to bring to your attention the rising trend of domestic animal attacks. When most people think of animal attacks, they think of wild animals such as lions, tigers, and bears. But the true fact of the matter is, there's a multitude of domesticated animals that would just as gladly want to rip your face off as well. The trend of domestic animal attacks has been on the rise since the time of Christopher Columbus, who was actually the first victim of a domestic animal attack. The main three animals that are responsible for these vicious attacks are dogs, cats, and snakes. But first, let's get to dogs.
Hey puppy, I love dogs.
I love dogs too. Shadow is the nicest dog ever.
Can I play with your dog?
Yeah, he won't hurt you.
Wait, hey buddy, hey, come on.
I don't.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No! No! Ah! 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 Ah!
Chappie! Chappie!
Ah!
Chappie!
Ah! Why is still going? Ah!
Chappie!
Ah!
He's still doing it! Chappie!
Kill it! Kill it!
So this is the aftermath of that horrible event. So what do you remember about that horrible day?
I just remember pain, suffering, and agony. I wanted to play with the dog, and he just jumped me for no reason. And then I blacked out, and I woke up in the hospital. All I remember is the pain!
And now for an eyewitness report. Tell me, ma'am, what do you remember about that terrible day?
Shadow was always so innocent and docile. I don't know why he snapped. All I know is Chappie almost died.
Man, I love cats. Where's your cat? Can I pet your cat?
It's under the trailer.
Awesome. Here, kitty kitty. Here, kitty kitty.
Oh my gosh, Ryan! My gosh!
Take a seat, sir.
You sneaky. Got your food. Where's Snaky?
So what exactly happened to Ryan after the attack? What happened? Oh my gosh, it's a deadly viper! He's dead!
The only logical explanation I have for this atrocity is that all the pets and domesticated animals in the world are forming a mutiny against the humans. All I have to say is that if you have a domesticated animal or pet in your home, it's a terrible idea.
Talk like Mr. Ed. What's that, Shadow? You want to say something? Man, this really ticks. I mean, this is a Friday. I've had a stressful week. And you know what? I don't care. This actually feels good. You know, you may be all like, oh, yeah, oh, that's nasty, nasty. I've had a stressful week. I was up till 4 last night. And you know, it's relaxing. You know, it's like almost getting like a knee like an ankle massage. You know, it feels great. You know, I mean, you know, there'd be a lot less wars in the world. You know, people just smeared their ankles with peanut butter and just, you know, let dogs lick it. You know, I mean, yeah, there'd be 1 or 2 who'd get injured from it, but you know, that happens with everything. And